Hey guys, today I'm gonna demonstrate how you can drain your Atwood 6-gallon water heater in preparation for winterizing it. So to start off, you'll need a 7/8 socket, 1/2 inch ratchet, and an extension or two in this case, so you can get around the actual gas line right here. Go ahead and put it on the plug itself. Start removing it. Get it just a little bit loose. The water will come out, but not rapidly. So we're just going to go ahead and do the rest by hand here. Look, starting to drain there. So if I want it to drain a lot faster, I can just come up here and open up the TPT valve that'll actually release the water a lot faster. Speed things along. Simple as that, and you're done. Thanks for watching.